Hello everyone, welcome to CUET General Knowledge episode. Let's start today's episode. First question is, which country has the most number of islands in the world? Option A, Indonesia. Option B, Sweden. Option C, Finland. Option D, Canada. The correct answer is option B, Sweden. Sweden has approximately 2,67,570 islands, the most of any country in the world. Next question is, who is known as the father of the Indian Renaissance? Option A, Swami Vivekanand. Option B, Rabindranath Tagore. Option C, Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Option D, Satyendranath Tagore. The correct answer is option C, Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Raja Ram Mohan Roy was instrumental in social reform in India, advocating for the abolition of sati and the promotion of modern education. Next question is, what is the national flower of Japan? Option A, rose. Option B, cherry blossom. Option C, orchid. Option D, lotus. The correct answer is option B, cherry blossom. The cherry blossom, or sakura, is Japan's national flower and symbolizes the fleeting nature of life. Next question is, who was the first female Prime Minister of India? Option A, Indira Gandhi. Option B, Sarojini Naidu. Option C, Sushma Swaraj. Option D, Sonia Gandhi. The correct answer is option A, Indira Gandhi. Srimati Indira Gandhi was the first woman Prime Minister of India and served the nation for 2 terms. Next question is, which is the longest river in the world? Option A, Amazon River. Option B, Nile River. Option C, Yangtze River. Option D, Mississippi River. The correct answer is option B, Nile River. The Nile River is traditionally considered the longest river in the world, flowing over 6,650 kilometers through northeastern Africa. Next question is, what is the official language of Brazil? Option A, Spanish. Option B, Portuguese. Option C, French. Option D, Italian. The correct answer is option B, Portuguese. Portuguese is the official language of Brazil due to its colonial history with Portugal. Next question is, who was the first person to step on the moon? Option A, Neil Armstrong. Option B, Buzz Aldrin. Option C, Michael Collins. Option D, John Glenn. The correct answer is option A, Neil Armstrong. Neil Armstrong became the first person to set foot on the moon on July 20th, 1969, during the Apollo 11 mission. Next question is, which is the only country that is also a continent? Option A, Australia. Option B, Canada. Option C, Russia. Option D, United States. The correct answer is option A, Australia. Australia is both a country and a continent, covering a landmass of around 7.7 million square kilometers. Next question is, which element has the atomic number 1? Option A, helium. Option B, hydrogen. Option C, lithium. Option D, oxygen. The correct answer is option B, hydrogen. Hydrogen has the atomic number 1, making it the simplest and most abundant element in the universe. Last question is, which sea has the lowest point on Earth? Option A, Red Sea. Option B, Mediterranean Sea. Option C, Caspian Sea. Option D, Dead Sea. The correct answer is option D, Dead Sea. The Dead Sea, located between Israel and Jordan, has the lowest point on Earth at over 400 meters below sea level. Now it's time for practice question. Which famous painter is known for his works like The Persistence of Memory? Option A, Pablo Picasso. Option B, Salvador Dali. Option C, Vincent van Gogh. Or option D, Claude Monet. Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.